1. No clutter countertops. Remember the last time you walked into a kitchen with clear countertops? It's like a breath of fresh air, isn't it? To achieve this in your own home, establish a strict rule against items accumulating on kitchen counters. Now I have designated spots for things that tend to gather there, like a small basket for mail and a hook for keys. It's amazing how much cleaner and more spacious the kitchen feels with this simple change. 2. Kitchen stations. Creating organized zones for frequently used items can make your kitchen more efficient and easier to keep clean. For example, set up a coffee station with your coffee maker, mugs, and supplies all in one spot. Use specific organizers to keep similar items grouped together. 3. Declutter kitchen essentials. Take a good look at your kitchen utensils, hand towels, and storage containers. Do you really need 5 spatulas or 15 mismatched Tupperware lids? Reduce excess items and keep only what you regularly use and can organize neatly. I recently went through my kitchen drawers and was shocked at how many duplicate or unused items I had accumulated. Donating these extras not only freed up space, but made it easier to keep my drawers tidy. 4. Consistent kitchen night routine. Establishing a nightly kitchen routine can make mornings so much more pleasant. Before heading to bed, make it a habit to empty the dishwasher and sink, wipe counters, and complete any remaining cleanup. I used to leave dishes in the sink overnight, thinking I'd deal with them in the morning. But waking up to a clean kitchen starts my day on a much more positive note. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I keep my home tidy" in the comments below. And if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge. Link in the description. 5. Organized refrigerator system. An organized fridge not only looks great, but can also help reduce food waste. Review the contents of your refrigerator before grocery shopping to avoid buying duplicates. Use clear storage solutions to maintain designated spots for different food categories. I started using clear bins in my fridge to separate fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. It's made a world of difference in finding what I need quickly and keeping track of what needs to be used soon. 6. Kitchen-only food rule. To prevent mess and cleanup throughout the house, try restricting eating to the kitchen area. This habit can be challenging, especially if you're used to eating in front of the TV, but it can significantly reduce crumbs and spills in other rooms. Plus, it encourages more mindful eating habits. 7. Smart pantry management. Use bins and clear organizational systems to keep your pantry inventory minimal and organized. Label containers to make it easy to find what you need. I recently reorganized my pantry using clear containers and labels, and it's not only more visually appealing, but has also helped me avoid overbuying items I already have. 8. One-touch rule. The one-touch rule is simple. Put items in their proper place immediately to avoid moving them multiple times. This habit can be a game changer in maintaining a tidy home. Instead of dropping your coat on a chair when you come home, hang it up right away. It takes the same amount of time, but saves you from having to tidy up later. 9. Donation station. Maintain a designated spot for items to donate and regularly assess and remove unwanted items. I keep a box in my closet for clothes I no longer wear or items I don't use. When the box is full, I take it to a local charity. This ongoing process helps prevent clutter from building up over time. 10. Color-coded closet system. Use matching hangers for visual consistency and organize clothes by color for easier maintenance. This not only makes your closet look neater, but also makes it easier to find what you're looking for. 11. Designated laundry spots. Have hampers in every bathroom and bedroom to create clear paths for dirty clothes. This prevents clothes from piling up on the floor and makes it easier to gather laundry when it's time to wash. 12. Daily laundry routine. Establish a consistent laundry schedule. Fold and sort clothes immediately after drying. This prevents the dreaded laundry mountain from forming on your bed or in the laundry room. I try to do a load of laundry every day, which keeps the task manageable and ensures we always have clean clothes available. 13. Bathroom cleaning routine. Implement a daily quick clean during your morning routine, keeping supplies easily accessible. A quick wipe of the sink and counters and a swish of the toilet brush can keep your bathroom looking fresh with minimal effort. I keep a container of disinfecting wipes under the sink for easy access. 14. Keeping floors clean. Use doormats and implement a no-shoes policy to minimize dirt and mess. It's amazing how much cleaner your floors can stay when you're not tracking in outside dirt. If a strict no-shoes policy feels too extreme, try having indoor slippers or flip-flops for family members to change into when they come home. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, so we have a small gift from our side, which is the free 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step. Plus, some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 15. Clean as you go. Tackle small cleaning tasks during idle moments to avoid letting messes accumulate. While waiting for your coffee to brew, wipe down the kitchen counter. These small efforts add up and can significantly reduce your overall cleaning time. 16. Don't leave a room empty-handed. Always scan the room before leaving for items that belong elsewhere to make tidying a continuous process. This habit has been a game changer for me. It's surprising how many items end up in the wrong place throughout the day, and this simple practice helps keep everything in its proper spot. 17. Have a place for everything. Designate specific storage spots for all items to make it easier to put things away. This might require some initial organization, but once you have a system in place, maintaining order becomes much simpler. I'd even have a designated spot for my car keys, which has saved me countless minutes of frantic searching. 18. Create a cleaning routine. Having a routine takes the guesswork out of what needs to be done and when. My morning routine includes making the bed and wiping down bathroom surfaces, while my evening routine focuses on the kitchen and living areas. 19. Wipe kitchen counters and sink. Daily cleaning of kitchen surfaces prevents grime buildup and maintains a clean kitchen. It's much easier to wipe up small spills and crumbs daily than to tackle a week's worth of buildup. I keep a microfiber cloth near the sink for quick wipe downs throughout the day. 20. Straighten each room. Tidy up each room before bed by collecting items that belong elsewhere. This habit ensures you wake up to a neat home and start your day on a positive note. It usually only takes a few minutes, but makes a big difference in how your space feels. 21. Bathroom surfaces and mirrors. Wipe down bathroom counters and mirrors regularly to maintain hygiene and a fresh atmosphere. A quick daily wipe prevents soap scum and toothpaste splatters from building up. I keep a squeegee in the shower to quickly remove water droplets from the glass, which prevents hard water stains. 22. Pet care and odors. Manage pet odors and messes daily by cleaning litter boxes and checking trash cans. Regular grooming and vacuuming can also help keep pet-related messes under control. As a cat owner, I've found that daily litter box scooping makes a huge difference in controlling odors. 23. Trash management. Collect and dispose of trash from every room daily, especially in bathrooms and offices, to prevent odors and mess. This simple habit can make a big difference in how clean your home feels and smells. 24. Restock bathroom supplies. Regularly check and restock toilet paper and other bathroom supplies to ensure readiness. There's nothing worse than realizing you're out of toilet paper when you need it most. I keep extra supplies in a cabinet and check stock levels weekly. 25. Laundry assessment. Evaluate clothes during folding to remove unwanted items from your wardrobe. If you come across items that no longer fit or that you haven't worn in a while, add them to your donation box. This ongoing process helps keep your closet clutter-free. 26. Shoe storage strategy. Keep special occasion shoes in bedroom closets and seasonal shoes in storage when not in use. This prevents your entryway from becoming overwhelmed with footwear. 27. Get kids involved. Assign age-appropriate cleaning tasks to children to share household responsibilities and teach them proper storage habits. This not only helps keep your home clean, but also instills valuable life skills. In my house, even the youngest helps by putting their toys away before bedtime. There you have it, 27 new everyday habits for a clean home. If you enjoyed these decluttering tips, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.